Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we bring you the finest traditional Indian sari. Today we have something truly execute for you, the pure Georgette Bandej hand Lahriya Saree. This saree is true masterpiece, blending the richness of Jaipur traditional with the elegance of pure Georgette fabric. The intricate Bandej Lahriya design adorn the entire length of the sari, making it is a true symbol of craftsmanship. The vibrant color used in the pattern make this sari an absolute delight to behold. Now let's move on to the styling. This saree is incredible versatile and can be draped in multiple ways depending on your preference. Whether you want to a traditional look or a modern twist, this saree has got you covered. To enhance the beauty of this sari, pair it with a contrast blouse and some exquisite jewelry. The Bandej Lahriya pattern is so incredible detailed that it doesn't need much accessorizing. Just a pair of statement earrings or a delicate necklace will elevate your overlook. So guys, why wait for experience the elegance of pure Georgette Jaipuri Bandej Lahriya Saree and embrace your inner diva. Add this stunning piece to your saree collection today and let it be a testament to your impeccable taste. Thank you for watching styling journey. If you enjoyed this video, then like, share, subscribe to our channel for more fashion inspiration. Stay tuned for more execute saree unboxing and styling tips. Till then, bye, take care guys. And if you want to purchase this saree, then I'll share link is in description box, you can check it out. Bye, take care, thank you.